The Nokia 9 Pureview is still the most powerful Nokia phone, but definitely not the most powerful phone you can buy now. It recently launched in India, nearly half a year since it was first announced. A report says a successor is coming soon, and it is reported to arrive as a Nokia 9.1 Pureview. SMT Global recently launched its penta-lens flagship smartphone called Nokia 9 Pureview in India. The device was originally unveiled at the Mobile World Congress in February this year. It took nearly 5 months to make its debut in India. Now, a few reports suggest that the company will soon launch a successor for this device. The sequel to the Nokia 9 Pureview could arrive as a Nokia 9.1 Pureview. Last month, it was reported that Nokia was planning to launch the 9.1 Pureview device in Q3 2019. Now, Nokia Power User reported that the SMT Global will launch the device sometime in Q4. The upcoming Nokia flagship is set to offer support for 5G. The handset might also come with better cameras with special focus on video and low light performance. The postponement is said to be as a result of some unresolved issues with certain aspects of the phone, such as its camera. We hope the delay is worth it. So, as to avoid a repeat of the negative reviews in Nokia 9 Pureview support. The report mentioned that camera speed has also been improved with a combination of better processor and software algorithm improvements with the help of light. But the development team is still working on optimizations. It is expected to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC. Comparatively, the Nokia 9 Pureview packs the Snapdragon 845 chipset under the hood. The upcoming Nokia 9.1 Pureview is rumored to feature a punch-hole display design similar to the Nokia X71. Furthermore, the handset is also expected to run stock Android Q as a launch timeline is predicted to be in Q4. At the moment, it is unknown whether there will be an LTE-only version or not. To recall, SMT Global launched the Nokia 9 Pureview device in India earlier this month. The handset comes with a price tag of Rs 49,999 in the country. The flagship smartphone from Nokia sports a premium glass design and offers a stock Android Pie software. You can also get a 2K OLED display and 5 cameras at the back of the phone. The rear camera setup includes two 12-megapixel RGB sensors and three 12-megapixel monochrome sensors. The device features an in-display fingerprint sensor. It is also IP67 certified, which means the handset is water and dust resistant. The Nokia 9 Pureview packs a USB Type-C port too. Notably, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack on the smartphone. There is still no official confirmation on this, so if you're planning to buy Nokia 9, it would be better to wait a little more and see if 9.1 may be worth a shot or not.